A study involving nearly 500,000 people in China reveals a clear link between cooking with wood or coal and an increased risk of major eye diseases that can lead to blindness, according to a report published in the journal PLOS Medicine. About half the world's population, that is 3.8 billion individuals, are exposed to household air pollution from cooking using dirty solid fuels such as coal and wood. While previous studies have reported a possible link between cooking with solid fuels and an increased risk of cataracts in women, it is unclear whether similar associations also exist with other major eye diseases such as conjunctivitis, keratitis, and glaucoma. The researchers from the University of Oxford and the Chinese Academy of Medical Science and Peking University, Beijing, analyzed data from almost 500,000 Chinese adults in the China Cadbury Biobank. All the study participants were asked about their cooking habits by questionnaire, then tracked for hospital admissions of major eye diseases through linkage to health insurance records. Over the 10-year follow-up period, there were 4,877 cases of conjunctiva disorders, 13,408 cataracts, 1,583 disorders of the sclera, cornea, iris and ciliary body (DSCIC), and 1,534 cases of glaucoma among study participants. Compared with those who cooked using clean fuels, electricity or gas, solid fuel users tended to be older, female, rural residents, less educated, agriculture workers, and regular smokers. After accounting for these factors properly, the results showed the following results. A long-term use of solid fuels for cooking was associated with 32%, 17% and 35% higher risk of conjunctiva, cataracts and DSCIC respectively, compared with those who cooked using clean fuels. There was little difference in risk between the different types of solid fuel used, for instance, coal versus wood. There was no association between long-term use of solid fuels and an increased risk of glaucoma. Individuals who switched from using solid to clean fuels for cooking had smaller elevated risk compared to those who did not switch. People who switched had 21%, 5% and 21% high risk for conjunctiva, cataracts and DSCIC respectively. The lead author of this study says that the increased risk may be caused by exposure to high levels of fine particulate matter PM2.5 and carbon monoxide, which can damage the eye surface and cause inflammation. Burning wood also increases the risk of eye injury from sparks or wood dust. The investigators proposed that the reason there was no association between solid fuel use and risk of glaucoma was because this disorder affects internal eye structures which are less exposed to pollutants in the air. Among individuals who used solid fuels for cooking, the study did not find significant difference in excess risk between those with and those without cook stove ventilation, such as a chimney. In China, despite recent success from government-led clean stove initiatives, around 400 million people still used solid fuels for domestic purposes in the year 2018. Worldwide, the percentage of the global population relying on solid fuels for cooking has only decreased modestly since 2010 by 11%. Most of these people live in low-income countries, particularly in Africa and Asia. This can make it difficult for those affected by eye disorders to access effective and affordable treatment.